Hi there! This is part 2 of a series of videos about binomial expressions used in English. Binomial expressions are when two words are held together by a conjunction. It's a chunk of language. The order of the words is usually fixed. If you swap them around, it sounds wrong to the ear of a native English speaker. There are a few different types of these expressions, but today we're going to look at those that use synonyms. So we have a conjunction between words with similar meanings. The first is bits and pieces. This describes a collection of small scattered items. She searched through the bits and pieces in her handbag, but couldn't find a pen. Or it can also relate to a collection of ideas or memories. I can only remember bits and pieces of my childhood. Peace and quiet. This is about freedom from stress or interruptions, calmness, tranquility. I think all parents long for a bit of peace and quiet. Neat and tidy. When everything is in its place and clean, you can call it neat and tidy. You can also say clean and tidy. My son keeps his bedroom neat and tidy. My daughter's room is always a mess. Nook and Cranny. This describes every possible place or every possible part of something, right down to the smallest ones. The police have searched every nook and cranny of this city, but still can't find the fugitive. First and foremost, we use this to emphasize the importance of something. It is the primary thing before everything else. First and foremost, our priority is reducing crime in this city. Plain and simple. We use this to emphasize that something is exactly what it says it is. There is no exaggeration or elaboration. Video piracy is stealing, plain and simple. To pick and choose is to select the best options from a number of different sources. You can't just pick and choose which laws you want to obey. These days, there are so many YouTube videos that people can just pick and choose. If something progresses in leaps and bounds, it does so to a very large degree, often very quickly. Johnny's career has taken off in leaps and bounds since he became a celebrity chef. Now, I'm sneaking in another category here. It's not an official one, but I think it's worth putting these expressions into a little class of their own. I'm going to call them descriptive. These are words that are not actually synonyms, but are related in some way. They give a more complete picture than just if you used synonyms alone. Far and wide simply means everywhere, in every direction. I was just talking about the career of Johnny, the celebrity chef, remember? Well, his fame spread far and wide. If someone or something is said to be skin and bones, they are unnaturally thin in an unhealthy way. The poor dog was just skin and bones when the RSPCA rescued it from neglectful owners. Salt and pepper. I know that you know that salt and pepper are condiments. But if you use it to describe someone's hair, it means that the person has dark hair with streaks of grey or silver. Because it is an adjective, there should be hyphens between each word if you write it. He was a small man with salt and pepper hair, a deeply lined face, and brown eyes. I think the next one explains itself. If something is loud and clear, then it is very easy to understand. The management sent a message to the staff that was loud and clear. Be punctual or be unemployed. Being punctual is just arriving on time. People might say this to show they have understood a threat or when they have been given a tongue lashing. Get out or I'll throw you out. Understand? Loud and clear. Sick and tired. You might say that you are sick and tired of something if you are bored with it, or if you're very frustrated and annoyed. The children are sick and tired of boring maths lessons. I am sick and tired of having to clean up after my children. If someone is head and shoulders above others, it doesn't mean that they are taller. It means that they are by far better than others in some way. Note that it is usually followed by above. If you train harder and longer than everybody else, you'll be head and shoulders above your competitors. And hopefully this video has been short and sweet, so it didn't take a long time, pleasantly brief. The bride's father gave a speech that was short and sweet. That's all for today. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment with some of your own sentences using one of these expressions? Bye!